Hey, welcome to Food Canopy. Please subscribe and select the bell icon if you would not like to miss any of our interesting recipes. Today we are preparing healthy Nepali Thukpa veggie soupy noodles. Let's start by preparing the soup paste. In the mixer jar, let's add 1 cup of roughly chopped onions, half a cup of roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 piece of Thai red chili, ½ inch ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Finally add handful of cilantro. Grind it to a fine paste using a mixer. Let's go ahead with the second step, that is preparing the soup. Please press the saute mode. Let the inner pot get heated up. Once the pot is hot, add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil to it. Add ½ cup of spring onion whites chopped. Add ½ cup of green bell peppers cut into slits. Add ½ cup of carrots cut into slits. Add around 1/4 cup of cabbage chopped. Saute well for some time. Add salt for quicker roasting of veggies. Let's go ahead and add the soup paste to the veggie mixture. Let's mix it together and saute for some time. Add around 8 ounces of mushrooms which are chopped in thick pieces. We want them to be in thick pieces so that the mushrooms do not turn mushy. Add around 4 cups of vegetable stock. Please find link for veg stock recipe in the description box below. You can use ready to use stock if you prefer. I am adding a pouch of Maggi Masala Magic. This is available in any Indian grocery store. You can also replace the Maggi Masala with a teaspoon of Garam Masala if you would like to. Mix it well. Add around 125 to 150 grams of veg Hakka noodles. Make sure the noodles are cut into small pieces. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the pot and adjust the valve to sealing mode. Select the pressure cook mode on high and adjust the timer for 4 minutes. After cook time, allow natural pressure release for around 5 minutes. For instant pot and multi-pot 1, turn pressure control valve to venting mode. For Mildi multi-pot 2, press cancel and long press pressure release button. Please open the lid after the pressure valve falls down. Adjust the salt to taste. I would like to adjust the consistency of soup. Check and adjust the consistency of the soup by adding more stock. My kids love long strands of noodles, hence I did not break it into small pieces. If you prefer, you can break the noodles into smaller pieces before cooking to get small strands of cooked noodles. Our hot, healthy, yummylicious soupy noodles are ready to be served. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to provide the feedback to us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.